Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys a method through which you guys can view somebody's TikTok profile and they will not know that you viewed it. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So to view somebody's TikTok profile without them knowing, you need to turn off a setting called TikTok profile views. If you turn that setting off, then basically if you visit anybody's profile, they will not know that you viewed their profile. But there is also one problem. You will also not know if somebody has viewed your profile. So the TikTok profile view option lets you know who has viewed your TikTok profile and also lets other people know that you have viewed their profile. So it's like a double-edged sword. You will know who viewed your profile and the other will know if you viewed their profile. So in order to view somebody's TikTok profile without them knowing, you need to click on the three line at the top right of your screen on TikTok and click on where it says settings and privacy. Now once you're inside settings and privacy, the second option where it says privacy, click on privacy and then scroll all the way down, and the second last option where it says profile views, make sure to click on it and turn it off by clicking on the button at the top right. Once it's off, you can go visit and see anybody's profile and they will not know that you viewed their profile. But let's say you want to know like who viewed your profile, but you don't want other people to know that you viewed their profile. In that case, you can create a second TikTok account, and from that second TikTok account you can view somebody's profile, and by doing that you will be able to see who has viewed your profile in the main account, whereas the other people or like the other person will not know you viewed their profile because you used a secondary account and nobody knows who the secondary account's owner is. That's how you guys can view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will see you guys next time.